So in our last video, we have done in the fill in the blanks with has, have and had. Now we'll do the next one of revision test paper 3, fill in the blanks with could, would and should. So before going to, let's see what are these called. These are called modals. Modals are special set of verbs. They act as helping verbs to convey the full sense of the sentence. They express the mood of the speaker. That means they express the possibility or intention or ability or suggestions, wishes, requests and permissions. Okay. Similarly, should is used to express the duty or to give advice or opinion. So that is the reason why we were using should when we have to talk that you should drive carefully. Okay. Then would and wouldn't is also used to express a wish. Okay. And wouldn't is also used to do that, to say what you want to make a request or to express a past habit. We use would. Then we use should also when we have to express that something shouldn't have been done, or when we expect that something something is expected to happen, then we use should. Then may and might are used to express the possibility in the present or future, or for a possibility in the past, to talk about the actions in the future, or to bless or express the wishes, like that. And must and mustn't are used to express the necessity to do something in the present or past. So when we have to ask for permission also, or to shout a preference or to express a possibility in the past, we use would or wouldn't. Okay. So similarly, different modals are there which we use for different circumstances. So according to their uses in the sentence, we use the different modals. I hope you have understood. Now let's see the questions from lesson number 17 and also from the revision exercise 3. Do question number 1, 2 and 3. We'll start from question number 4. Make questions using could. So we'll see could is the past tense of can. So it is used for getting request, permission, or expressing a wish, or to tell us the ability and inability in the past, or to suggest something. Like if we are requesting something, so could you hand me or give me your pencil? So if we are asking permission, so could I go home? So like this, ability when it shows, so I could play guitar when I was a child, and when help or suggestion is there, I could help you learning English, like that. So in this chapter, we'll see question number 4. I want to go home. So when I will use could, so could I go home? Okay, and put question mark. Give me your notes. So could you give me your notes? Okay, like this you will do. Then make polite questions using would or would you mind. So you want to invite someone to lunch. So would you like to join us for lunch? So if you want to post the letter, what you will write? Would you mind posting the letter? Like this you will do. Okay. Then question number 6 and 7 we won't do. We'll see question number 8. Choose the correct alternative. So you have to use the correct alternative from this. So can you tell me the way to this post office? Okay, because can is used to request also. Then I am sorry to bother you, but could you please tell me the time? Here also could is used for, yes, permissions or asking help. So would you mind posting these letters? I think, yes, suggestion is given, so should is used. You should work hard. Then here must is given the correct answer. Must is used You must be polite. You should think carefully before taking a decision. Division is written, you make it correct. Then, may I use your telephone? Asking permission. Then she might be in her office. Possibility is there. Okay, so you should drive carefully. Then fill in the blanks with the given words. Couldn't, wouldn't, shouldn't, mustn't and needn't. We have got plenty of time. We needn't hurry. She couldn't come because she was sick. You mustn't make a noise in the library. You shouldn't be late for the meeting. We wouldn't have any money if we do not work. So like this you will do. Could I go home? So in question number 7, first will be could. Could you please show me the way to the post office? Second, would. Third, you should work hard. Fourth, you would you like to join us for lunch? And fifth number, you should drive carefully. Now the next question is change the following sentences to indirect speech. So before doing this, let's know what is an indirect speech. So let's see chapter 18, direct and indirect speech. So in indirect speech, we quote the exact words of the speaker. Okay, and we write it in inverted commas. And in indirect speech, we report the words of the speaker and there is no use of inverted comma. Okay, so like I am hungry, so he said that he was hungry, or she said that she was hungry. Like you see, I am a teacher, so she said that she was a teacher. So is or am will be changed into was. Okay, will be changed into would. So I don't like sweets, so don't will be changed into didn't. Okay, like that. So this way you have to do question number 1. Then let's see question number 4. Write down what these people say to the others. It will rain today, she said to him. And what you will write? She told him that it would rain today. You can leave early, the manager said to the clerk. Then the manager told the clerk that he could leave early. Can is changed into past form. We are waiting for you, Gopi said to me. Like this, you will do the rest of the work. I can swim, Rahul said to his friend. So Rahul told his friend that he could swim. So this way you will do question number 8 in revision exercise. After this, we'll see question number 3. This was left. Make questions to get the following answer. She lives in Chennai, so we can make WH questions. Where does she live? Then, no, I am not interested in sports. So here we will ask a question. Are you interested in sports? Yes, we have a car. Do you have a car? So like this you will do the rest of the question in question number 3. The last is change into passive voice. Now before doing that, we must know what is active and what is passive voice. So let's see the chapter number the last chapter number 19, active and passive voice. So when a verb is or the person or thing denoted as the subject or is active. Okay, and when the person or thing is denoted by the subject suffers the action done by something or someone, it is passive voice. Like a peon rings the bell. So the peon here, the subject, the ringing is the verb. So what peon is doing? The peon is ringing the bell. So peon is active here, means he is doing the work here. So it is active voice. And the bell is rung. So verb change into past form by the peon. So it is in passive voice. Like Columbus discovered America. So it is active voice. But if we say America was discovered by Columbus, it is in passive voice. The servant cleans the room. the room was cleaned by the servant. So like this you have to do. Here subject will come in the first, then verb will change into past form, and then the subject of the first will be written as object. Okay. So the form of the sentence will change accordingly. But habitual actions and the universal truths do not change their form. Number 9 will be your homework for today, and with this we have already finished the full syllabus of English grammar.